This is the mount which I chose for my telescope, my Celestron C90 Microscope telescope. This is an AZ-GTi mount and tripod. The thing about this mount is that it's very light. By light I mean it's not cumbersome to assemble or hold it. At the same time, it has the ability to follow the rotation of the Earth, compensate for that. So the object that you're looking through the telescope will remain at the center of the view. At the same time, it has a Wi-Fi inside it. You don't need internet or anything, just Wi-Fi inside it, which connects to your telephone through the app that you will install. And that enables you to actually tell to the mount to which direction to point the telescope. 10,000 objects, I think, are in that list that you can do with this. It's a Skywatcher. It is made in the People's Republic of China. I was telling to my colleagues the other day that China has made the world a richer place for many people around the world. And you can see it, they make affordable things at a very good price. And they export it all around the world. The Skywatcher, be amazed. I'm going now to open this and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, I'm going to use this knife to open it, but I have to use both hands, so I'm just using both of my hands. To open the telescope, I have to use both my hands using this knife, so I'll just show you when I opened it. Okay, I've now opened it. Now let's see what is inside. It's a little bit difficult. The boxes, I must say, is double layered. Look, normally the boxes are just one layer of this one. This is double layered. It's so stiff to open it. But that means it gives a good protection to whatever is stored inside it. So let me do that. And okay, it has 3 other boxes inside, one longer one smaller one, and 2 smallest. So this longer one, I suppose, is the stands, the mount itself. And this one, I think it must be the actual motorized mount. Let us see what is. Am I right or not? Okay, I'm now putting this down and go for the next one. Okay, one was out, second one was out, third one is out, the fourth one is out, and the 5th box is also inside. I'll keep it inside until the last minute. Okay, this part is the heaviest, and I suppose that is the actual stand mount itself, not the stand, the mount itself. So let us see. Let me open this if I can. Oh, nice. Oh, it has a little instruction manual. This is the final product, how it will look when you stand it and assemble it. Okay, very well protected foamy material, about 2 centimeters thick. Then it comes inside it, the actual mount. This is the Alt-Azimuth mount, so it's not equatorial, so it doesn't need those kind of polar alignment and cumbersome counterweights and all those heavy stuff that you have to work it in the dark. It's very simple. That's the reason about it. Very simple. There's a dovetail bracket here that you actually mount your telescope there. And this is the actual mount. The bottom of it is here. It goes on the tripod. Let me bring it out. First of all, there is a connector here. Okay, that's one. Then the assembly is here. I will just take it out. Yeah, I must say I'm really impressed. It's really well shielded, protected. Look, well padded. Thick layer of the protection for this, and it's quite chunky. I think it's around 1 kilo or 1.5 kilo. Quite have a weight on it. Okay, now I've taken it off this foam, which is molded to the shape of it. I put this foam here very well, impressively chunky. It's very strong and chunky. Oh, it has a lot of attachment. On off, snap, power, hand control. Oh, that's hand control is when you want to use one of those sync, they say. That's hand control, but we don't need with the mobile. Probably will not use that. But it's nice to have it if you don't want to use a mobile for that. And this is a power, and this is a snap. But I don't know what that means, but there's a Wi-Fi also in here. Patent application, patent numbers. It's mentioned here is invention. There's a LED light which shows that when it is on, and this is the bracket that you can tighten up the telescope or turn it around, I suppose. That's the where actually the telescope will be attached. Impressively simple. And at the bottom of it is where it goes on top of the tripod. So this is the mount. Let us see what is inside the rest of the box. Okay, now I'm opening this. And this is the second box. What is inside it? It's interesting to know what is inside. Oh, that's the second part, top part of the mount. The tripod, to keep it short and small, they have added an extension, vertical extension, which is this chunky piece of plastic and metal that comes on top of the tripod, and then the actual Alt-Azimuth control motor will be installed on that, so it will be like this. These other boxes are empty. They're just for keeping this space filled with something, so the heavy stuff will not move around. Very good thought. And now let's go and see where is the actual tripod. The tripod is impressively small, and I'm going now to use this knife to open it. I will do it when I'll show you when I've done it. Okay, now I have cut the seal, and let's just bring this impressively again double layered cardboard, and inside this is a bubble wrapped piece of equipment with a that's a triangular tray, and this is the actual, what is it? Yeah, the tripod. Impressively made of good metal, chunky, good material. Stands like that, around 2 feet at this unfolded stage. At this folded stage is just 2 feet. And, oh, it's impressive. I think this is really good as a photographic tripod also. Let's just see if I attach these things on top of it. Anyway, that will be another video. At the moment, I'm just showing you what is inside. So this is the tripod. I suppose we can extend you can extend the stand, the feet of the tripod. There's a twisty one. A twist, extend, then twist in the reverse direction, it tightens it. So overall, I'm really impressed with this quality of this. It looks chunky, it looks relatively heavy, able to hold the telescope, and above all, it's electronic. It belongs to the 21st century. What we want is not something from the 19th century. 21st century inventions. A patent proudly displayed on this